Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Outlook Classic and signing in with the account you use for mail. This gives Outlook permission to sync. Once signed in, make sure the mailbox reaches full sync before proceeding so folders and search work reliably. Next, go to Account Settings to confirm the default mailbox, name, and time zone. Doing this prevents mismatched timestamps. If you use multiple accounts, add them now and set the primary account to avoid sending from the wrong identity. Now organize your inbox so it stays manageable. Create folders and subfolders and drag messages to file them. This reduces clutter and speeds search. Then open rules to automate sorting, move newsletters to a folder, flag invoices, or delete junk as it arrives. Use search folders for saved queries and quick steps to apply multi-step actions with one click. Finally, tag messages with categories to group related items across folders. Doing this, finish by sending a test message with an attachment to confirm outgoing mail works and signatures apply correctly. Then use Calendar to create events or meeting invites, add attendees, set reminders, and attach agendas so everyone arrives prepared. Before you finish, export a PSD backup or enable auto archive to preserve old mail. If something goes wrong, like mail not syncing or frequent credential prompts, run the built-in Repair Profile tool and re-enter credentials. This often resolves sync issues without needing deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.